What's up, guys? It's the Stone Gamer 19, and I'm doing a sort of a vlog. I'm unboxing something that came in the mail. Yeah, and it's right there. Okay, let's get it. Yes, it's my Hero Academia hoodie, bro. I am so excited to open this. Okay, hold on. Let me set up the camera somewhere, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I guess I'll just put it here. Right here. So I got it from the mail. And yes, it's the Cowboys. Oh, why so soft? It feels like a costume, bro. Like for real. Damn. Holy moly. Oh, this is so big. But who cares? Does it fit? Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay. Let's see the. Okay, guys, it's right here. Oh, look at this. It's like a little. Can you focus? Focus. Can you please focus, bro? Bro, focus on this little thingy. Oh my gosh, so annoying. Right, so I guess you can't see it, but it's like a little metal part with 3 little holes. Okay. So right there where I'm like here, bro. This thing is sexy. Let me try to hang it sometime. It's right there. Look at this. So sexy, bro. Hold on. So this is supposed to be like the belt part. Oh my god, this is so incredibly soft. Okay, so this is supposed to be like the gloves and the pads and everything, bro. I really love this hoodie. It cost me 17 something on eBay. Like if you want one, I'm gonna link it in the description down below. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Try to put it on. I don't know, I'm kind of sweaty. Nah, I guess I won't put it on. I'll put it on another video or vlog. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, share, and comment down below who your favorite My Hero Academia character is. And I hope you have a great day, and peace out.